Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Suburban LS 4-wheel drive, stock number Z7215A. 34,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The Suburban seats 8, cloth interior. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, integrated trailer brake control, and power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. Easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. The Suburban has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. As of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, the Suburban has a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information about this Suburban, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.